Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the Faraday stock. Faraday guys crashed yesterday, so we know he pumped all of this week more than 10,000%. But on Friday, people are taking profit on Friday. So and this thing was a serious, massive sell-off. When you see here right now, this is the I can call a parish because the volume which people took sold there, like a lot of sell off happened on yesterday, and you see that candlestick guys is huge. That's guys, this thing is going to be. Don't expect Monday that is going to be closing green. Expect on Monday is going to be a massive sell off, and where I'm thinking this is going to pack. So we are likely to go back to 0.3 course of next week to go to. Remember, guys, this thing it doesn't have that. This short squeeze, guys, short squeeze always doesn't have a base. We have a base before, but that's a 10,000 breakout. That is, this thing is going to drop like a lot of percentage. If you bought around $2 and still holding on Monday, Tuesday, you will this thing's it might be coming back to $2, and then but now this thing is going to be declining because it's going to close more positions. If you watch right now here, you see this thing. It has a lot of caps between this area, and even when you see on 45, this 45 chart here, you see is telling you when stock was breaking out from 0.03 all the way it reached 0.4, all the way to $1, all the way to $2. So we break that line. So this is the maybe on Monday stock close above 1.6. That's the EMA guys. But now this is remember this thing come to 60 cents, which is uh, uh, we have around 80% to go back. But you see, even right now, like let's say the price right now and percentage, which is still this thing is still huge, still 1,200. Remember, and this thing went all the way here. Here we have like 3,000, but the real this thing went is more than 10,000%. So here we have this candlestick which is on 45 minutes. This is it was a reversal candlestick which we saw on 45. You push it and then we close like that. And this is going to maybe on Monday it's going to push. You must be very careful on this one because maybe I don't know. Either ways, you must be watching every time what's going on here. And you see on this is guys almost post market, and this all things happen, and it's not a miracle. This thing is because it did more. It was they call cut pounds. So here, like when you break into 5 hours, 5 minutes, you will see this thing starts more room for going up. So it bounces back after hitting $4, almost $4. It came to 0.7, and maybe Monday. We don't know, guys. This thing is driven by short squeeze. Maybe it's going back somewhere here. But on the 45 minutes, I told you this thing maybe is going to hit 1.6 before went down more. So you must be, but about the daily is telling you this thing is still going to close red. And if you remember about the GameStop and GME and AMC, He had the same charts. We saw this one. When this thing guys started going down, it's going all the way until almost where it started. And that's the and you see even 45, this thing started like one to pounces. We saw this way guys. Let me now tell you the truth on if you have been still watching here. You see, it pounces, it tested that which is around this was around 40 something, and now that's area on 45 minutes will could acted like a resistance for FAI stock. So remember guys, this is my personal prediction. I predict that this thing is going to $3, and I say another video if it's closing above it was evil this stock will close above let me on weekly, remember weekly is very important. Exactly, I say we need to close above $2 or $3, but now you see we didn't close anything. But this long term, this is the stock that you need to watch and buy more in future. Remember the stock this week, the volume was trading around $5.6 billion. That is a lot. That's and you need to be very careful. This thing chance to go down is high probability because of this one. This is a massive sell-off. This thing, guys, from here to here, that is a 4x. So it lost 4x yesterday. Either a volume or a price, it lost 4x. And remember, this thing went over 50x. So the more it's going down, the more, if you bought from here, anybody who bought from here, it lost a lot excess than somebody who bought from here. You bought from here like $2, you lost like 50%, but anybody who bought from here, you saw 50x and then 50x already coming down. Right now is about 12x, so it's already lost around 38x. Yeah, see you later.